want to do a roll? You want to do a roll today? What do you think? Think it's a good day for one? She's doing yoga on your yoga mat. You get over your diaper? Can you get over your diaper? Oh, man. It's okay. It's okay. What are you gonna do? Oh, yeah, you can. Get over your hip. I think you're trying. Gotta try. Gotta keep trying. Oh! Oh, Megan! Hey! She rolled. Which way is... Yeah, onto her back. Good job! Good job. You haven't rolled in a long time. Good job. That was great. That was great. Are you proud? Yeah? I'm proud of you. Are you done now?